welcome to the next training in Xperiencify. Today we're going to go over how to edit your XP and your double XP bar at the bottom. Now, let's show you what I'm talking about in a normal course. So we are going to go to Building a Strategic Partnership, my flagship course. And we're going to, there we go to view it as a course. View it as the student sees it. And we wait for the yellow thing to go in circle about 10 times. I didn't count. I've been counting. I think that's kind of fun, but today I'm just watching. Today my system seems a little bit slow too. Okay, there we go. So at the bottom, right here, I didn't have to scroll, but right here, okay, come on. Right there, you click that and you can see your XPs and your total XPs. And you can see the text and whatever. So how do you edit this? So that is what we're going to go over. So let me click off that, go back to this, and we are going to go to a different, well, we'll go to this course. So we're going to go to where it says customize step 4, your course pages. And then we're going to go into the course homepage. I believe you could go into any of the pages, but the first one's the easiest. So once again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Wish I could just pause it, but whenever I end up pausing, it pops up right away. See, I would have paused. It would have popped up right there. So then I'm going to look at this again. It says you are currently editing page in live mode. So I could change anything. But if I go to that little arrow at the bottom and click on that, it brings it up. And then I could go into here and I can edit the title. I could, let's gain experience points as you progress through our programs. And I will do the exclamation point there because I want them to be happy. Then it says, if you want to rename your total XPs or if you want to rename them to something else, you can. And this is how it shows up. I actually think that's perfect. I could do the exclamation point. I like that. So I'm going to save settings. And now I have the exclamation point there. So now it has been edited. Anyway, so that is it. It's super simple. The hardest thing about this is finding this little arrow. So once you know where to go, it's super easy to change. Anyway, that is editing the experience bar. And if you have any questions, please leave them below. And I will see you in that next video.